In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add style of your tags in Obsidian. We'll walk through how to give your tags a custom look using Obsidian's built-in CSS snippets feature. By the end, your tags can have custom colors, padding, rounded corners, and a font size that matches your style. Start by opening Obsidian. Once you're in your vault, look to the bottom left corner of the app and click the settings icon. In the settings panel, choose the appearance section. This is where Obsidian controls themes and custom styling, and it's also where you'll find the CSS snippets area. Scroll down until you see CSS snippets. Here, Obsidian provides a handy shortcut to the folder where your snippets live. Click the button to open that folder. It will open your system's file explorer right in the snippets directory for your current vault. If this is your first time, the folder might be empty, and that's perfectly fine. In this folder, create a new file with a clear name and the .css extension, or open an existing one if you already have a snippet file. Now add the styles you want for your tags. You can customize things like background color to give tags a highlight, color to set the text tone, padding to add breathing room around the text, border radius to round the corners, and font size to make tags more readable. Keep your design accessible by choosing colors with good contrast and subtle padding so tags don't look cramped. Save the file when you're done. Head back to Obsidian's appearance settings and return to the CSS snippets section. Click Reload to make Obsidian rescan the snippets folder. Your new or updated snippet should appear in the list. Finally, toggle your snippet on. As soon as it's enabled, your tags will adopt the new styles. If you don't see changes immediately, make sure you save the file, confirm the extension is .cs, and double-check that the snippet is switched on. Some themes may influence how tags are displayed, so minor adjustments may be needed to get the exact look you want. That's it. You opened Obsidian, went to Settings, opened Appearance, found CSS snippets, opened the folder, added your tag styles, reloaded, and toggled the snippet on. You can repeat this process anytime to refine your design, and you can turn snippets on or off without affecting your notes. Keep your snippet names descriptive and your styles organized so future updates are quick and easy.